everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Alyce. I'm a belly dancer, choreographer and instructor from London, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to belly dance. Now in today's video we're going to be doing the chest figure of 8, and it looks a little something like this. Now before we get into the video, just make sure you do like, subscribe to the channel, comment below and share to any friends you think might want to learn to belly dance as well. Okay, so for the chest figure of 8, what we want to think of is moving our chest in the slide motion and in our up and down chest lift and drop position. So chest slides and chest lift and chest drop. These are the different planes we're going to be working with. So first of all, let's start with our chest lift, where we're going to expand the rib cage, so using our upper abdominals pushing up. And from here, let's practice just sliding side to side. Slide, slide, keeping that chest lifted. Try not to let your shoulders drop, let your chest drop, lifting up. Slide, 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 slide. Good, let's try it from a chest drop. So pulling in, contracting the muscles, making sure that your shoulders again don't flop with this, keeping the shoulders back. So chest pulls in, contract the muscles, and we're gonna slide, 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 slide. Perfect. Okay, we are now going to combine a lift, drop, slide process to make a figure of 8. So this again is a figure of 8 on the side, more like an infinity sign. So more like an infinity sign. We are going to lift the chest to start with. Let's slide the chest over to the left. We're going to now drop the chest down. Down. Good. So this, notice that my chest is still over to the left, so I haven't brought myself back into the center. So keeping everything engaged at each point. Now we're going to slide back into the center with this contracted chest drop. Slide back in. Good. Again, now let's try it on the other side. So we are going to lift the chest, this time sliding over to the right. So keep the chest lifted, slide to the right. Good. Now we're going to drop the chest, keeping the chest over to the right. Drop. Good. Now we slide back into the center. Perfect. Let's try and join that all together. So we start with chest lift, slide to the left, contract, slide to the right, chest lift, slide to the right, chest drops, slide back into the center. Now I want you to think of curving off those sides. So now we've got a bit of a box 8. Now we want to start thinking of smoothing that 8 off. So still thinking of those same actions, using those muscles to engage, to lift, to slide, working through all that, but let's make it nice and smooth. So we're going to lift the chest over and make a circle this time. Good, back into the center. Lift and circle, back into the center. Lift, circle, center. Lift. Good, up, slide, up, slide round, lift, slide round, slide. Good. Nice. Now we can over-exaggerate this movement as well, or you can keep it contained in this small curved figure of 8. We can now start to think of really working our upper body with it. So rather than just keeping everything very contained in this one space, we want to think of actually letting the shoulders loose. So it's a different variation on the figure of 8. We can lift the chest. Again, lifting the chest up, taking our chest over and drawing out this semicircle. Over. Semicircle round, semicircle round. Good. Keep it going, keep it nice and loose. You can also have a little bend in your knees and help yourself push the movement round. So this one is definitely more of a flowy, less isolated figure of 8. We can take the arms out to the side as well, lifting the chest over, figure of 8. Center, lift, slide, center, lift, slide, semicircle. Nice. Okay, let's try with the mirror. Okay, for the chest figure of 8, remembering to create those circles on each side to make our infinity sign. Up, and round, up and round, each side, round, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, good, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can exaggerate and let the arms and the shoulders go a little bit looser with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really nice. Thank you so much for watching today's video on the chest figure of 8. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you keep watching because we've got more videos to come every week. So stay tuned and I will see you next time, lovelies.